Hi, Ferdinand. Here's some feedback on your writing. So I'm looking for language to make comparisons. So let's see, you have also, um, unlike. Good. So you've used some expressions. Likewise. Good. Excellent. Okay, so let's take a look. As we celebrate this holiday season in the Philippines, yeah, make sure you write out the whole word in the Philippines. By the start of September, capital, again, you know abbreviations. Uh, this is informal language, so you have to write you will hear from every corner, or sorry, not from, in every corner of the mall, no S, houses and other public areas, Christmas music, and then you can take that part out. The decor, let me see. The decors are all over the corner, likewise here in Canada. I think what you mean here is the decorations are all over. Take out the corner, period. Likewise in Canada, there are many decorations. I only noticed the decorations and Christmas lights, plural, after Remembrance Day. Unlike here, it is very rare to see people going from house to house for caroling. No article. Unlike here, it is very rare to see people going from house to house for caroling. Okay, period. So now we want to take out that like and start a new sentence. So in capital, in the Philippines, children start their caroling as soon as the sun sets, 2 words. And also we celebrate the 9 days of midnight mass or dawn mass, where churchgoers will hear mass as early as, so as early as 4 a.m. for 9 days, which ends on December 24th, period. This is very different to Canada, where they don't celebrate or they don't have this tradition. And on New Year's Eve in Canada, they have fireworks celebrations in designated areas, unlike in the Philippines, where you can do it in front of your house, although our government, remember, no abbreviations, discourages it. So make sure your subject agrees with your verb. Also in the Philippines, there is street dancing and singing while waiting for the new year. Whereas here, people are only inside their homes waiting for New Year, period. Careful that your sentences aren't too long and what we call a run-on sentence. Some places I have seen people gathered in public places where they dance and sing in the lobbies of train stations. This is only a few ways in which Canada and the Philippines are different. Happy New Year to all. Okay, so you can see there's quite a few mistakes, but you're starting to use language for comparisons. So I'd like you to rewrite that, keeping in mind the corrections that I have made. Thanks.